Yo, good Sunday afternoon, everybody. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Beautiful day. Man, I have not done an update video on our 2017 Rogue in so long. Part of that problem being my daughter and I don't talk anymore. She's 19 years old and living her own life, and oh well, that's a story for another time, but we'll work it out one day. But anyway, this is her 17 Rogue that we bought new in 2007. Let's see, December of 16. It was 17 model. It's the pearl color. As you can see, it's a beautiful color. It's like a $400 option. Just really a cool, neat color. Really metallic. I mean, this car is dirty too, not been cleaned up. Been a great car. What can I say? I mean, it's just been dead reliable. Oil changes. Put a set of tires on it about 2,000 miles ago. It's currently showing, I think, about 43,000 miles on it right now. I mean, just to remember, it has the power tailgate. It's the SV package. You know, and it's got a nice rubber mat back here that she put in to carry her dog in, and stuff. Also, I think this tailgate will open with a swift kick underneath. Maybe. I think that's if the keys are in your pocket, but I don't have the keys in my pocket. They're in the car. As you can see right here, we do have a minor Fender Bender. She was backing out of her boyfriend's driveway and took out their mailbox. So, got to look into getting this repaired. Very ugly dent, very deep dent, and it's right here in a fender crease line. So I don't know if it can be PDR'd or if it's gonna have to be, you know, cut out and replaced. I have no idea. It's got I put some Milestar tires on it. They had a good looking tread, real deep tread, and I like those, so I put a set of those on there. They were like $400. Not bad. They got good ride quality. Man, that sucks. Jeez. But my daughter, she takes pretty good care of it as far as keeping it clean, keeping it washed. She's a sophomore. Well, she's really a freshman. She should be a freshman in college, but she's really a sophomore because she got ahead in high school. So, she was going to go to Clemson, but it was just too expensive. So she's going to go to UTC in Chattanooga, and this will be her car to get her there and back. Seats, easy to stain. Very easy. Always been a problem since day one. And if you spill something, just forget about it. Stain city. Here's all your heated steering wheel, your sport and eco modes, your power door release, your 360 camera and warning system. That was an option when we bought this car. Also, the bigger head unit, larger screen, and just some cool features. Push to start. It has remote start, which is cool. I've got some older videos of that. Especially the first video I did on this car when we first got it. I could not make the push of the remote start work. It was pretty hilarious. CVT Geartronic, I guess it's called, hasn't given us a bit of problems. We're looking right at 43,187 miles. And that 2011 Rogue I drove earlier this week with the CVT shutter, now I know what that's all about. And this car doesn't exhibit any of that. But the key is you've got to service your transmission, your CVT, and these things about every 30,000 miles. It's $200 to do at the dealer, and you just got to do it if you want to make it last. You know, give it a chance to last at least. Warranty wise or problem wise, no problems with this car other than we replaced the battery a year ago, which I thought seemed a little soon, given the car was you know, about 3 years old. I thought that was a little soon, but anyway, other than replacing battery, tires, everything's original, brakes. We did replace a wheel and a tire and a strut on the driver's front. My daughter hit a curb at high speed, had to have it aligned, and it drives fine. My guys fixed it up, took care of me. Cost, you know, about $800 for a wheel, tire, strut, and alignment, which I didn't think was too bad. We got lucky and found a used wheel. Here's my little favorite 0 to 60 spot. I'm going to put her in sport mode. See what she'll do these days. We got pictures to stare at. Whoa, are you kidding me? Wheel spin on a 2.5 Rogue with the CVT? What? But boy, it's loud. God, it's loud. But it works like it's supposed to. See if I could find an average miles per gallon. It had been around 23 to 24. I haven't checked it in quite a while. Right now it says average 15 miles per gallon. Are you kidding me? Oh, there it is. 23 and a half. Okay. 15 miles per gallon was for the current drive we're taking right now. But yeah, she's been getting 23 and a half, which isn't bad. That's pretty good. Man, we got the sun beating on us. Beating on us. Anybody that says the Rogue is slow is smoking crack. These things are not slow. I mean, they have plenty of power. You know, and it's pretty smooth too. Now, does it sound great? No, this 2.5 four-cylinder engine is ancient. It's been around for 1,000 years. It doesn't sound great, but it is dead ass reliable as far as the engine goes. Time and chain driven. It's been around since the 02 Altima, I think. You know, good motor. Not the most fuel efficient, but just durable. And hopefully we got a good one with a good CVT. Let's hope. But again, other than just oil changes, set of tires, and just some you know, work due to accidents, our own faults, it's been a bulletproof car. And it's you know, it's still a great little car. It'll be paid for in a year, and hopefully it will last her many, many more years to come. I'm gonna get an estimate on that rear quarter, see what it's gonna cost to get it fixed, and when I find out, I'll do an update on that as well. Y'all have a great day. Like, subscribe, please comment, Please throw a like if you like this kind of stuff. Trying to grow the channel. I'm slowly gathering momentum, but need more momentum. So if you like this kind of stuff, just throw a like and a subscribe and a comment, and I'll reply back to you. I appreciate you. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you with the next one. Peace.